This AI tool just replaced a $10,000 camera crew. I'm going to show you exactly how to use Higgsfield AI to create cinematic videos from just a text prompt, no camera, no actors, no editing experience needed. And by the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to make your first cinematic AI video from scratch. Let's get into it. So what exactly is Higgsfield AI? And why is everyone talking about it right now? Most AI video tools generate short clips that look cool for about 3 seconds, then feel random, glitchy, or totally disconnected from any story. They're impressive at first glance, but they fall apart the moment you try to use them for real content. Higgsfield AI is different. It's built around one core idea: cinematic intent. That means instead of just generating moving images, it tries to simulate how a real film director thinks: lighting, framing, atmosphere, camera movement, emotional tone. When you type a prompt into Higgsfield, you're not just triggering animation, you're directing a scene. The system interprets your environment description, the emotional mood, the time of day, even implied camera angles, and translates all of that into a visually coherent clip. That layered interpretation is what makes it stand out from every other tool in this space right now. Feature 1. Visual storytelling. Unlike generic AI tools that produce abstract or chaotic visuals, Higgsfield structures scenes with real depth and perspective. Background elements feel intentional. Foreground subjects are framed like actual cinematography. Lighting creates mood, not just brightness. And mood is what keeps viewers watching. Feature 2. Character consistency. One of the biggest problems with AI video tools is character instability. Faces morph between frames. Clothing changes, proportions shift. It looks unnatural and breaks immersion. Higgsfield is engineered to reduce that. It maintains stronger character continuity across frames, which means you can actually build narrative sequences instead of just isolated moments. That makes it a serious tool for YouTube storytelling, short films, and brand content. Feature 3. Cinematic camera control. This is where it gets really powerful. Higgsfield doesn't just respond to nouns and actions, it responds to filmmaking language. You can specify a wide shot, a close-up, an over-the-shoulder angle, or a slow tracking movement, and the AI will attempt to translate that into actual visual motion and framing. It feels less like typing commands into software and more like directing a virtual production crew. Feature 4. Emotional lighting. Lighting is everything in filmmaking, and Higgsfield takes it seriously. You can describe dramatic backlighting, soft, diffused morning light, neon reflections on wet pavement, golden hour warmth, or high-contrast noir shadows, and the platform will recreate those moods visually. That ability to control emotional lighting gives creators a serious advantage that most AI tools just can't match right now. Before we jump into the tutorial, let's quickly cover pricing, because I know that's the first thing you're wondering. Higgsfield AI does offer a free plan, which is great for beginners who want to test it before committing. The free tier gives you a limited number of generations per month, which is more than enough to follow along with this tutorial. If you want more generations, higher resolution, or priority rendering, they have paid plans available. I'll drop a link in the description so you can check out the latest pricing directly on their site. For now, the free plan is all you need. Let's go. Step 1. Create your account. First, click the link in the description or check the pinned comment below. That'll take you straight to Higgsfield AI. Create your free account using your email or Google login. It takes about 30 seconds. Once you're inside the dashboard, don't rush. Take a moment to look around. Familiarize yourself with the interface, the project area, the generation panel, and the settings menu. Knowing where everything is will save you a lot of frustration later. Step 2. Start a new project. Click the Create New or New Project button. This is where your idea becomes a visual. You'll see the prompt input box front and center. This is the heart of the entire platform. Everything starts with what you type here. Step 3. Write a cinematic prompt. Now here's where most beginners go wrong, and this is the most important part of the whole tutorial, so pay attention. Most people type something like, "A man walking in a city." That'll generate something, but it won't unlock what Higgsfield is actually capable of. Instead, you need to think in layers. Ask yourself 4 questions before you type anything. 1. What is the environment? 2. What is the lighting? 3. What is the camera angle? 4. What is the emotion? So instead of a man walking in a city, try this. Cinematic wide shot of a lonely businessman walking through a rainy, neon-lit city at night. Reflections on the pavement, dramatic lighting, slow motion, emotional atmosphere, ultra-detailed. Film grain. Notice the difference. You're not just describing an object, you're directing a scene. Step 4. Adjust your settings. Before you hit generate, check your available settings. Depending on your plan, you may be able to adjust duration, resolution, style, and camera behavior. If there's a cinematic or realistic mode, always choose that for film-style results. Higher resolution will produce better quality but takes longer to render, so factor that into your workflow. Step 5. Generate and review. Click Generate. The AI will begin processing your request. Rendering time varies based on complexity, usually between 30 seconds and a few minutes. When it's ready, don't just watch it once and move on. Analyze it. Does the lighting match your vision? Is the motion smooth? Does the mood feel right? If something feels off, refine your prompt. Maybe you need stronger emphasis on lighting. Maybe you want a tighter camera angle. Small prompt adjustments can dramatically change your results. Step 6. Download and edit. Once you're happy with your clip, download it. From there, you can bring it into your editing software, CapCut, Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, whatever you use. Add voiceover, music, and sound design. AI visuals are powerful, but pairing them with strong audio and storytelling is what separates a good video from a great one. Before I wrap up, here are 3 pro tips that will immediately improve your results. Tip 1. Always think like a filmmaker before you type. Close your eyes and visualize the shot. Where is the camera? Is it moving or static? Is the light harsh or soft? Is the scene tense or calm? Then translate that mental image into words. Tip 2. Build sequences, not just clips. The best creators don't generate one video and call it done. They plan out multiple connected shots that tell a story together. Think about what comes before and after each clip. Tip 3. Develop your own prompt style. The more you generate, the more you'll learn which phrases consistently produce cinematic results for you. Keep a personal prompt library. It'll save you hours. The future of content creation is shifting fast. Tools like Higgsfield AI are lowering the barrier to entry for cinematic storytelling, and the creators who learn these tools now will have a massive advantage over everyone else. You don't need expensive cameras. You don't need a production crew. You need imagination, clarity, and the willingness to refine your ideas. Start simple. Practice consistently. Focus on storytelling over effects. That's how you turn AI-generated clips into content people actually want to watch. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button. It genuinely helps this channel grow. Subscribe so you don't miss the next video where I break down more AI tools just like this one. And drop a comment below telling me, what's the first cinematic scene you're going to create with Higgsfield AI? I read every single comment. I'll see you in the next one.